We're in Camarillo now. We're gonna be doing our last service. I'm filling out this inspection sheet now because we're gonna be doing inspections as well. So if you guys didn't know, I do inspections when I'm doing my services. It's not just a quick oil change. So customer name, Diana. Alright guys, so our drain plug is right over here. This one's a 13 millimeter. Break it loose. This probably came from the dealership because it shouldn't be too tight, guys. It's a freaking drain plug, yo. There you go. Keep me floating, I'm on my back. Slow me down when I'm living fast. You make me wanna be with somebody, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel. Alright guys, so the oil filter is right over here. It's a 24 millimeter. Go ahead and take it out. It's a cartridge type. You're going to need an extension as well, just so you can reach down there. Probably snapped. Get a towel, make sure it doesn't drip on the engine bay. Alright, so we have this filter, just pull it out, it's gonna snap out. There's gonna be some oil in here as well, so just dump it out your drain pan. We got our filter, our oil filter right here, and we got our new seal right here. We're gonna replace that seal as well and put in our new oil filter. It's better to use a pick, but I didn't bring it with me today. Make sure you put a little bit of oil into that seal as well, just so it seals properly into the housing and it's easier to remove the next service that we do. Here's our filter, just put it in. There's a little stud right there in there, and it should go into this hole and it should click in. You should hear it clicking. Click. Click, and that's good. I'm gonna go back up and reinstall our new oil filter. Clean the housing as well. Make sure your job is clean. So we're gonna put it back, thread it in by hand. You don't have to tighten these too much, it's plastic and it's just an oil filter. Alright, so we're gonna put our drain plug back. That's good. Just make it snug, never over tighten them. Here's our fill cap.
As you guys can see, it uses 0W20. So we have our dipstick right here to check our fluid level. So it has to be at that crosshatch area. Again, like always, between the two dots and you're good. Right now it's between that crosshatch. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start the car, put it into level ground, and recheck our fluids again. Oh wait. We're gonna do inspections real quick. I'm gonna go under the car, check some suspension parts. 2019, so
I don't wanna feel this, 'cause I feel things way too hard. Got me on the ceiling, but the feels ain't worth the fall. Ooh, la la, it's better when I'm numb. I don't wanna feel this, 'cause I feel things way too hard. Run your fingers through my hair. No, I get a little scared, 'cause you know you're my type. I used to play it kinda cool. Now I don't know what to do when you with the other guys. Ooh, it's only a matter of time.
Alright guys, we just finished with our last customer, the Jeep Cherokee 2021. It was the easiest vehicle of the day, surprisingly. I thought it was going to be the most difficult one. But yeah, I think we had a good day today. I wish we had one more customer, but one pulled out, so we're just going to head home and rest and clean out the tools and stuff. But yeah, bye!